In front of me is Blackshark Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard's Clipboard. First of all, launch your keyboard and tap on Clipboard at the top of it, over here. Now, you need to activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner, and when it's on, go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Then copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, select Clipboard and tap on your text over here. Now, if you want to paste it after an hour passes, you need to hold it and pin it or it will disappear. To do that, after holding it, select pin icon and it will be listed under pinned. You can unpin it the same way. You can also paste it by holding it and selecting paste. To delete anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and use delete. If you want to pin or delete multiple things at once, use this pen at the top right corner, click on all of them, and then select pin or the delete button. To disable Clipboard fully, click on the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!